Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Dodge Charger key fob. First, gather all of your existing key fobs, both working and non-working ones. It's also crucial to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Finally, take a moment to locate your vehicle's owner's manual. It often contains specific, detailed instructions tailored to your exact model and year, which can be incredibly helpful for a smooth experience. Next, we'll enter the programming mode. Insert a currently working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately turn the key to OFF and then quickly back to on within a 5-second window. You'll need to repeat this OFF and on sequence a total of 3 times. This specific action signals to your vehicle's computer that you intend to begin the key fob programming process. Now, let's program your new key fobs. While still in programming mode, take the new key fob you wish to program. Press and hold the unlock button on this new fob for approximately 15 seconds. After holding, release the unlock button and then immediately press any other button on that same new fob. You should hear your vehicle's door lock cycle, which is the vehicle's way of confirming that the new key fob has been successfully programmed into its system. To finalize the process, turn the ignition key to the OFF position. This action will exit the vehicle's programming mode. Once out of programming mode, it's essential to test every single key fob you've just programmed, including any original ones, to ensure they all function correctly. If you encounter any persistent issues, or if a fob isn't working as expected, it's always best to consult a certified Dodge service technician for professional assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.